Discovering the Untold. TikTok Automation with AI Magic. Make money online. Welcome to Profitability Plus, your go-to channel for unlocking the secrets of making money online. Today, I've got an exciting tool to share with you that has the potential to boost your earnings up to $100 per day. And the best part is, anyone can do it from anywhere in the world. No Etsy account, Midjourney subscription, or prior experience required. Just your phone and InVideo AI, a game-changing tool that turns your text into custom videos. Now, before we delve into this goldmine of opportunities, let me shed some light on a lucrative business idea I stumbled upon while scrolling through TikTok. TikTok Automation. It may seem like just another spiritual video account, but trust me, it's a clever money-making strategy. In this video, I'll not only walk you through InVideo AI but also show you how to create hot, trending YouTube videos effortlessly. So let's jump right in and explore the wonders of InVideo AI. Picture this. You want to create a YouTube short about the remarkable journey of space travel. To add a touch of epicness, we'll use a deep Australian male voiceover. Ever wondered how far we've journeyed into the cosmos? In 1957, a Soviet satellite, Sputnik, breached our atmosphere. This is exactly what InVideo AI does. It transforms your ideas into visually stunning videos with just a simple prompt. But here's the twist. Let's add subtitles, pump up the music, and switch the voiceover to a British female voice. To access InVideo AI, click the first link in the description to create a free account. Once you're in, you'll land on a user-friendly dashboard. The simplest way to use InVideo AI is through this text box. For instance, type "Create a 2-minute video about cats" and let InVideo AI handle the script, voiceover, and video creation. But for more professional results, we need a detailed prompt. Select the workflow, YouTube Shorts, YouTube Explainer, Recent Events Video, or Script to Video. Let's go with YouTube Explainer for a faceless channel. Specify the video duration, say 10 minutes, and provide detailed info like create a video about 9 crazy facts about cats. Express your creative direction, such as starting with a crazy fact, making it funny and engaging, and ending with a question. Choose fun music, a clear American female voiceover, and if needed, add subtitles. Click continue and InVideo AI does its magic. You've got options to customize further, like selecting your audience, cat lovers, pet owners, or animal enthusiasts, deciding the look and feel. I chose bright, and picking the platform YouTube. After clicking continue, InVideo AI crafts your video in about 5 minutes. Now, suppose you're not entirely satisfied and want to make edits. Easy. Use the text box underneath the video to request changes or click the edit button for more options. You can edit media, replacing or uploading clips, and edit the script, tweaking sentences or deleting parts. For even more control, the export to the timeline feature, currently in alpha stage, allows detailed edits and full customization. Just imagine the possibilities. Keep in mind, you can use InVideo AI for free, but for high-quality, watermark-free videos, a paid plan starting at $20 per month is recommended. Before we dive into the TikTok automation business, let me share a feature of creating viral YouTube videos. The recent event video workflow. For instance, I selected the ChatGPT update as a trending topic. Provide an article link. Click generate video and voila, a trending video in minutes. Now, on to the TikTok automation business. Have you ever wondered how some accounts make hundreds of dollars with seemingly simple videos? Let's decode it. Check the bio, and you'll find links to popular ClickBank products. They've mastered the art of promoting affiliate products on TikTok, and I'll show you how to do it with InVideo AI. Pick an affiliate product like a ClickBank or Amazon item. For this example, I chose an online course for dog owners. Open a TikTok account, and the fun part begins: content creation. Use ChatGPT to brainstorm video ideas like dog health tips, Copy the idea to InVideo AI. Select the YouTube Shorts workflow and add subtitles for extra engagement. Create videos consistently. Reach 1K followers and add your affiliate link to the bio. Don't forget to experiment with YouTube for more opportunities. Now, let me share my prompt formula for optimal results. Consider duration, platform, topic, voiceover and script style, background music, and additional information. Here's an example prompt. Create a 3-minute YouTube video about the history of space exploration. Feature a deep male voiceover with an Australian accent, speaking informatively yet engagingly. The script should be storytelling, covering key milestones from early rocketry to recent Mars missions. Use inspiring background music and visually stunning space mission footage. Add a reference link and a call to action for subscriptions. Copy this detailed prompt, paste it into InVideo AI, and click Generate a Video. The possibilities are endless. Now that you've mastered the art of leveraging InVideo AI for creating engaging and profit-worthy content, let's shift our focus to explore a variety of prompts that can spark your creativity for different video ideas. These prompts are versatile and can be adapted to suit various niches, ensuring a constant stream of fresh and captivating content for your audience. Number 1. Historical Deep Dive. Create a 5-minute YouTube video exploring the historical origins of a popular tradition or celebration. Deep dive into its cultural significance and evolution over the years. Specify a voiceover with a tone that balances informativeness and storytelling. Enhance the video with subtle background music that complements the historical narrative. Number 2. DIY Adventure. Aim for a 7-minute YouTube tutorial showcasing a unique do-it-yourself project. Specify the platform as YouTube and the script style as easy to understand. Choose an upbeat and motivational voiceover with a clear American accent. Opt for background music that adds an energetic vibe to the tutorial. And don't forget to encourage your viewers to share their creations in the comment section. Number 3. Travel Exploration. Craft a 10-minute YouTube explainer video about an exotic travel destination. Set the tone with a voiceover that's both informative and captivating, and choose background music that transports viewers to the featured location. Specify the need for visually stunning footage and ensure the script includes interesting facts, local traditions, and insider tips for an immersive experience. Number 4. Health and Wellness Tips. Create a 3-minute YouTube video offering practical health and wellness tips. Specify the platform as YouTube Shorts for quick and engaging content. Opt for a calming voiceover with a British female accent. Use background music that enhances a soothing atmosphere. Encourage viewer interaction by asking for their favorite wellness practices in the comments. And number 5. Book Review and Recommendation. Develop a 6-minute YouTube video reviewing and recommending a captivating book. Choose a voiceover that strikes a balance between analytical and friendly, and opt for background music that complements the literary theme. Specify the need for engaging visuals such as book covers and relevant images. Conclude the video with a call to action, urging viewers to share their favorite books for future reviews. Feel free to customize these prompts based on your preferences and target audience. The key is to experiment with different ideas, keeping your content diverse and appealing to a broad viewership. That's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for tuning in, and good luck on your journey to Profitability Plus.